These are homemade sour gummy worms, and there's one reason they don't suck. So gummy candy is definitely one of my favorite snacks, literally because they're just so fun to eat. But what makes gummy candy gummy? Well, it's really just gelatin, the same thing that's in Jello. But Jello and gummy worms have very different textures, and it has to do with how much water is in them. See, gelatin forms long chains, and as they cool down, these chains tangle up, kind of like the headphones that you just threw in your backpack. But when there's a lot of water, like Jello, these chains can easily slip past each other, which is why Jello holds its structure, but doesn't have any chew. When we get rid of all the water, these tangled chains become so dense that they don't want to get pulled apart, just like your favorite gummy candy. So if you want that elastic, chewy texture, the gelatin needs to be dehydrated as much as possible. For the coating, we're going to be using a mixture of malic acid, citric acid, and sugar. Citric acid is a lot more sour and acidic, while malic acid is still sour but a little more mellow. So I blend the two for a more rounded flavor. Okay, so I've actually been letting these dry in the fridge for about 4 days now. The texture was like really wet and jello-y at first, but now they're a lot more elastic and stretchy and a little less fragile. Let's give it a taste. They kind of taste like if you bought healthy gummy worms at the store. For making them at home for my first time, I'll take it. If you didn't know, I have a weekly newsletter where I share cooking challenges, food science, favorite things from the week, stuff like that. If you're interested, you can sign up with the link in my bio.